and Junita Sibulangao. Okay, wala bang palakpakan yan? Okay, much better. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, we have our members of the secondary sponsors. And the first pair, we have Mr. Frederick Puques and Bernalyn Puques. Okay, so po tayong magpa-KJ. Any moves will do. Come on. Dance. Okay, so this time we have Mr. Frederick Sibulangao and Micaela Sibulangao. Okay, so thanks much. And now we have Jonard Puques and Madeline Puques. Okay, thanks much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have our groomsmen and the bridesmaids. In the first pair, we have Roldan Samson and Shirley Castronuevo. Okay, come on. Dance with the music. Okay, so this time we have Jericho Aquino and Mary Grace Puques. Okay, dance with the music. And now we have Salvador Macaranas and Kimberly Thompson. Come on, guys, please don't kill the joy. Any move will do. Very good. And this time we have Cheryl Ferrer and Laika Soriano. Okay, so ang gagaling naman ng ating mga groomsmen and bridesmaids. This time we have Mr. Michael Diaz and Judy May Ferrer. Okay, so thank you so much. And last but not the least, we have Sander Lee Mali and Chinky Panuringan. Okay, so come on, let us make this occasion live and alive. Very good. Palakpakan naman yan. This time, ladies and gentlemen, we have our beaters and the flower girls. We have twins, Pireta, John Andre Montoya, Jan Rachel Rosal, Levins Mera, Renato Pablos Jr., and Henry Viray. And now we have our flower girls. We have Patricia Elaine Puques, Maria Shamara Puques, Beburi Sibulangao, Edith Berlin Barbosa, Amara